Hello friends, myself Pushpen Malakar. Welcome to my channel Financial Appetite. Friends, the purpose of this channel is to spread knowledge about financial market. So keep on this video and please share and subscribe my channel as much as you can. Let's friends start today's topic. Yes friends, as the name suggests, today's topic is definition of shares in share market. In this video, we are going to discuss what is share, why it is issued, what are the types, etc. Now, we often hear the name stock and share. Is it similar by meaning? Let's start. Friends, stock is generally represented proportional ownership of any company, whereas share represents ownership certificate of a particular company. That means if anyone says they own stock, it's indicating their overall ownership of one or more companies. So friends, share is a smallest unit out of which company capital is divided. It suggests a part ownership of capital of the company. Let's understand for an example. Suppose a company's total equity capital is 1 crore and you have purchased 10 lakhs amount of shares. That means you invested 10 lakhs rupees of that company. It indicates your part ownership is 10% of that company's total equity capital. Now friends, the interesting fact about why company issues shares to the public. When company needs money for business expansion or starting a new venture, company invites people to subscribe its shares through a prospectus authorized by SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India. This prospectus contains all the details and relevant facts about the company to help the person by making a rational decision. If anyone is interested for subscribing the shares of that company, he has to make an application for desired number of shares. Company will allot the shares to the applicant, that means investors. This process is called IPO, that is initial public offer, and in this way company raise fund from the market. Now market are two types. One is primary market and another is secondary market. Friends, primary markets are those markets where new companies issues their share through IPO, FPO. IPO is previously said, that is initial public offer. FPO is further public offer. Next one is secondary market. Secondary market is the market for already issued securities where previously issued shares traded between buyers and sellers, which is commonly known as share market or stock market. Now friends, we are going to discuss types of shares. There are two types of shares: equity share and preference share. Equity share are those ordinary shares that carries differential right, whereas preference share, as the name suggests, they got preference in terms of dividend payment, repayment of the capital at the time of winding of the company. Now we'll discuss certain characteristics of these two types of shares. In case of equity share, the fund raised through equity shares is called owner's fund, whereas capital raised through preference share is called preference share capital. Equity shareholder do not have preferential right in case of preferred share. As equity shareholders are the residual owner of the company and they received from the company after all claims are settled, whereas preferred share is got preference over equity share in terms of dividend payment, repayment of capital from the company at the liquidation of the company. In case of voting right, equity shareholders have right to vote in the general meeting of the company, whereas preferred shareholders, though they are owner of the company, they do not have any right in the general meeting of the company. In case of dividend payment, dividend paid to the equity holders is not fixed. They are paid at varied rates by the recommendation of the directors depending upon the earnings of the company. Whereas in terms of preferred shares, they get fixed rate of dividends out of profit with the discretion of the directors. In case of participation in management, as equity holders are the real owner of the company, they have right to participate in management, whereas preferential shareholders are not right to participate in management. Equity shares are traded in stock market, that is, they are listed in stock exchange and traded between buyers and sellers, whereas preferred shares is not traded in stock market. They can be bought directly from the company and sold directly to the company. Now friends, we'll discuss issues of shares. Issues of shares are two types. One is cash and second one is consideration other than cash. Cash is three types: par, premium and discount. If issued price of share is equal to the face value of share is called at par. If issued price of share is more than the face value of the share is called premium, and if issued price of share is below of the face value of the share is called discount. Suppose face value of a share is 10 rupees. If the issue price of share is 10, that means this is at par. If issued price of share is 15, that means 5 rupees in premium. If issued price of share is 8, that means 2 rupees in discount. Consideration other than cash, these are also two types: vendors and promoters. Generally, company issues fully paid up capital and pays to the vendors and promoters instead of cash to render their services. Now friends, we will understand what is face value of share. Face value of share is the division of total equity capital divided by number of outstanding shares. Suppose a company's total equity capital is 1 crore and its total number of outstanding shares is 10 lakh. That means face value of the share is 10 rupees. Here equity capital is promoter capital. Face value is fixed. It varies only in case of stock split. Lastly friends, we will discuss the benefits of shareholders. Friends, shareholders are not only get benefited by the price fluctuation of share, but they can also get benefit in terms of dividend, bonus, right issue, stock split, buyback of shares by the discretion of the company. This action of the company is called corporate action of the company. Now friends, I like to stop. Hope your all queries has been fulfilled. Please feel free to post your queries mentioned in description. So friends, please stay invested, stay safe. Thank you.